Hey everyone, Kyle here. Quick note before we get started. Today's video about how to create viral TikTok content with AI is sponsored by SEMrush. I'll tell you more about it on how it can help you create viral TikTok content in just a bit. Let's dive in. So now here we are in SEMrush and we're currently logged in our account. And from here, what you want to do first is you want to navigate on the left side and make sure that you find the social media option, which is this one, and click on it, and then the drop down menu would open up right here. And what we are interested right here is the social content AI, because this is where we will be generating our viral TikTok content using AI. And now this is what it would look like on my case because I have already set up my information right here. But if it's your first time going into social content AI, then you should be able to see something like this one right here. You would need to provide your website and a brief description about it and where is it based. But if you don't have a website, it's fine. Just leave it blank just like so. But in my case, I have one, so I'm just going to provide that. And then from here, a brief description about your channel or your business. So just put it right here. And then after that, click on the blue button that you are currently seeing on this page. In my case, I'll just click on cancel since I have already set that up. And now here are my results based on what I have given right here. And what's great about this is that these results are trend-based, which means that it aligns posts with trending topics to boost your chance of going viral. And its insights is data-driven, which means that it uses audience and SEO data to enhance relevance. So from here, if you can find the topic or idea that you would want to create right here, then you can simply click on add category. For example, here in top news, add category, and you want to go and enter the name of what you would want to create. Like for example, about online learning, I'm going to click here, and then it would now generate specific ideas, topics, or titles right here for you to create on content on. And then here in the ideas by topic, it's basically the same thing, add topic, and then just enter your topic right here. For example, this one, and then it would now create that with its idea. And then you can click here on get more ideas to have more of that kind right here. So yeah, that is basically how you do it right here. It's very simple and it's very effective. So now let's choose a topic. For example, I'm gonna go for crafting tutorials right here that captivate and convert. So I'm just gonna click here on generate. And from here, you can target the social network right here. But of course, we would want TikTok, but we don't have the TikTok option right here. So we'll just leave this blank. And then from here, we're gonna go for specify the tone of voice. So you can go for friendly, informative, depending on the kind of topic. Since our title is crafting tutorials that captivate and convert, then I guess it should be professional right here. And then for the specified post type, you can go for promo, guide, story behind the scenes, and so on right here. I think this should be guide because this is a tutorial. And then after that, you have the option to use business description. So I would leave this checked because I would want the AI to use the business description that I have provided as additional information for it to work on. So click on generate once you're done. And now it would now make you the caption right here or the description. And from here, you can directly edit it right here if there is something that you don't want, you want to change, and so on right here. But in my case, I'll just leave it be because I think it's good. And then next is you have the design right here. So you can add a design for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, but we don't have the TikTok one right here. So we're just gonna go for video right here because TikTok is a video-driven platform. So here we have TikTok. So you can go here for the video for TikTok, and then it would now choose the templates right here, generating the video. So all we have to do now is wait for it to finish and see what it got for us as our content here for this post. And now here it is. It has now finished generating a video for us, so you can choose which one you would like. However, if you think you would be able to make a much better video than what is generated here in AI, then feel free to do that. Or feel free to use that and we will be uploading that later on because it is so much better if you use your own video like you're the one creating it because you have so much potential. And that way, you'd be able to tailor it according to what you think the audience would like and so on. So yeah, that is what is recommended instead of just relying on AI to create a video itself, because if you don't put that much effort on it, then it is very likely that your audience will not be interested in it and you won't go viral. So in this case, I will just be using my own video that I have created instead of using AI. So I'll be uploading that later on and I'll show you how. And now here we are in the final step. And the first thing that we would need to do here is select our TikTok account, which is right here. And then next is you can do some finishing touches on your description. And then once you're done, you want to now upload your image or video. This is the content itself. So you can click here and you can choose it from your storage, or you could just use the AI assistant right here. So you could just generate your video or image by SEMrush AI again if you would want that. But again, I recommend that you use your own created image or video right here. So just click on this one and then you'd be able to choose your own image or video. And then next would be the post settings. So from here, you can allow comments, duet, or stitch, or disclose post content. So these are your TikTok post settings right here. So depending on what you want, you can just enable your options right here. So in my case, I'll just go for comments and duet, since they would help me boost visibility. So if someone would duet my content, then that is basically free marketing on my side. And for the comments also, since I think they would give a good comments right here on my content, and click on save changes. And now you may now proceed here into when you will be posting or publishing your post. So you can go for post now if you want to publish this post right away. You can go for schedule if you want to set a specific time on when this would be posted, and you can turn on post needs approval so that you would be notified first before this would get uploaded. Or you could publish this regularly. So if you would want this, then this is where you can set the time, the date, and then the date until and time. So if you would want this to be repeated, then this is the option for you. And then you can save this as a draft if you are not yet sure on when it should be posted, or you're not yet sure with your content just yet, then you can just save this as a draft right here, and then you would be able to go here again with your progress still intact later on. So in my case, I'll just go with schedule, and I'm just gonna go with the date right here, 13, and the time I'll just leave it as B. And then post needs approval is turned on, and click on schedule right here. And then after we have clicked on this one, we are now done. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can create viral TikTok content with the help of SEMrush AI. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.